Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Hello guys, my name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading. Today is the 11th of January 2023 and we are about to analyze GBPUSD. Okay, so now GBPUSD, we don't know where it's moving, but then we can see that GBPUSD is making an uptrend and still consolidating in 1.27600. So now this is the day of CPI, so I don't know what will happen, but then I think that the market or the CPI fundamental news will probably push the price to go up, okay, to 1.30,000. But then I don't know about it. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and ensure that you go to our Telegram group. The link, it is in the description below. Please join our Telegram group so that you may be noticed when we send signals, the setup, the upcoming webinars, upcoming seminars, apply for the mentorship. There are plenty amount of community that you may join them together, and then we learning together. So without wasting time, we know that if we analyze the pair, we're going to go to daily time frame first and foremost, and this is a daily time frame. All right, so now the first thing we want to see is the higher high. Okay, what is the higher high? It is the resistance zone in a daily time frame. So we can see that now the market is still going up. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's jump into the 4-hour time frame. So now the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market is still trapped in a zone. Okay, it's still trapped in a zone. Okay, so now what tells you? It tells you that the market might have the possibility to go down and go up again. Okay, so now there might be a possibility, but then without that, I can see that the market, this is let me do this. This is head and shoulders. Okay, and then you can see, so now the market is still trapped in a consolidating triangle. Okay, so now the market maybe have a possibility to go down, okay, and then go up and then shoot down. Okay, so there might be a possibility about it. So now I can see that the market still trapped in the right hand side shoulder, so we are expecting that the market will shoot down again to the support trend line and therefore shoot up again, or there might be a possibility that the market will shoot down to a trending support channel, and therefore then we'll shoot down as a breakout. Okay, as a breakout. So now we're expecting the market that is going to consolidate more further in a triangle, okay, and therefore shoot down, or there might be a possibility that the market would go to a trending line and therefore shoot up. Okay, there might be a possibility. So we know that if the market is trapped inside the consolidating channel, consolidating a triangle or any design whatsoever, we know that the market, when it should higher and significantly. So ensure that you stay tuned in our channel, ensure that you stay tuned in our in our group, so that when we post the signal, we post a signal according to what we have promised on our YouTube channel. So ensure that you go into the link in the description below, find the link, and then join our Telegram group. Okay, so this is so easy. This is a very easy setup. Remember, I told you about the simplicity. Okay, last week we were having a webinar where we're speaking about the simplicity in the market. The simplicity is not all about having many things in the chart or many indicators in the chart, but the simplicity is all about trading the support and resistance and the trend line, and then you go. Secondly, don't trade many pairs. One pair, it is okay, and it is okay to trade one pair, okay, because one pair is going to make you understand the structure of the market or the structure of that specific pair. So ensure that you trade only one pair. And then I recommend that if you follow us, or if you want to be part of our community, ensure that you stay on Gbpusd and Gbpjpy. All right, so without wasting time, please guys, ensure you go to the in the link description below, and then you join our Telegram group. And if you want to know which broker we are recommending or which broker we are currently trading with, go to our link in the description below, join or open an account with them, and ensure that you deposit at least $50 or even $100. It's up to you, but then through our link in the description below, you're going to receive the 100% bonus. Okay, so peace.